In this video, I'm going to show new business owners how to get a boost with their Google rankings. And this is in the Google Business Profile section, the Map section, also known as Google My Business. I'm going to show you how to get a quick boost for new businesses starting now. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is have a Google Business Profile. If you do not have your free Google Business Profile, go watch my video on how to do that, and then come back here and I'll show you how to get a quick boost. If you already have your Google Business Profile, you're good to go. All you need to do is get 10 reviews. 10 Google reviews. Doesn't matter if they're 1-star, 5-star, 3-star, it doesn't matter. You just need 10 reviews. Once you get those first 10 reviews, Google will give you an automatic boost. So let's say you're at position number 10. You could jump up to number 8 or even number 7. Let's say you're at number 5 or number 4. This could bump you up into the top 3 and really get your phone ringing and really put you on the map. And I want to show you an easy way to get these reviews. So let's jump over to Google real quick. Okay, so I'm on Google. I'm just going to type in my business name, Big West Marketing, as an example here. Okay, you can see my Google Business Profile over here, and you can see I have 169 Google reviews. This took many years to get this and a lot of hard work, okay? But that first 10 is probably going to be the hardest, but here's a way to make it easier. Make sure you're logged in when you search for your business. You can see I'm logged in right here. I got my little face. I'm logged into the Gmail account. I used to originally set this up. Then you're gonna see all these options down here once you're logged in, and I click on the little down arrow, and I click on Ask for Reviews. Now, Google gives you this nice clean little link here, and you can copy that and then you can text it over to your current client list, or every time you get a new customer or do a job, okay, you can text this link. Okay, so copy that link, get it onto your phone, and then text it over to people every time you do a job. Or if you have a list of current clients, you can also send it out to all of them and ask them for reviews. Of course, not everybody's gonna leave you a review. Even if they say they are, you usually get 1 out of 5 that actually take action. So this is gonna take a lot of work to get these first 10 reviews, but believe me, it will pay off with that ranking boost. And you can also see right here that Google has a little option where you can click email, and it'll automatically set up an email that you can send over to your clients. And Google will even put this little message in here. I would recommend sprucing up this message a little bit, putting some reasons, maybe some questions that they can answer when they're leaving the review, put a catchy headline, put in their email, and send it over to your clients. Google's trying to make it easier and easier to get these reviews, but keep in mind, they need to have a Gmail before they can actually leave a review. So that's something to keep in mind when you ask them for a review. Say, make sure you're logged into your Gmail. And if you don't have a Gmail, you will need to open one up. Now, if you want more ways to rank up on Google, because this is just one little tip, I've got a whole cheat sheet you can download for free. Just click on the description below, download this cheat sheet, and it'll give you 8 different ways to rank on Google. This is all the stuff we do for our clients, and this stuff works, and there are video links in each one of these little sections, so you can go there and watch a video with examples and step-by-step instructions. Now, if you like this video, please click on subscribe, like the video, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. I will get back to you. Once again, my name is Joe Burnich with BigWestAcademy.com, and I will see you in the next video.